Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy crypto with Google Wallet. First, you will need to connect your Google Wallet to a cryptocurrency exchange or platform that supports this payment method. Make sure your Google Wallet has a linked payment method, such as a debit or credit card, ready for transactions. Finally, complete any necessary identity verification on the crypto platform to comply with regulations. Next, select a reputable cryptocurrency platform that accepts Google Wallet. Many popular exchanges, including Crypto.com, BitPay, and Zengo, offer this convenient payment option. Once you have chosen a platform, navigate to its settings and link your Google Wallet as a preferred payment method. This step securely integrates your digital wallet for future purchases. Now you are ready to make a purchase. Head to the Buy Crypto section on your chosen exchange. Select the specific cryptocurrency you wish to acquire, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. Enter the desired amount, which can be as low as $50 on some platforms, then choose Google Wallet as your payment method. Finally, review and confirm the transaction details to complete your secure crypto purchase. For optimal security, always enable two-factor authentication on your crypto accounts. Be mindful of transaction fees, which can vary significantly, sometimes up to 2% or more, depending on the platform and purchase amount. Consider transferring your newly acquired crypto to a secure personal wallet for better control. Lastly, always stay informed about market trends and potential risks before making any investment decisions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.